Hello and welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things home and lifestyle. With us, you'll uncover a trove of valuable insights and tips on how to enhance your living spaces, elevate your lifestyle, and master your personal finance. We're committed to helping you transform your home into a sanctuary while living within your means. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to share 10 simple ways to save money each month without sacrificing lifestyle. Before we dive into our saving tips, let's talk about why saving money matters. You see, saving isn't just about stashing away pennies. It's about creating a safety net, a cushion for those unexpected life twists and turns. It's about financial security. When you have savings, you're prepared for those surprise car repairs or sudden job losses. Moreover, saving allows for future investments. You can use your savings to invest in real estate, start a business, or even take that dream vacation. It's about making your money work for you. And let's not forget about lifestyle. When you save, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. You're able to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without constantly worrying about the next paycheck. Saving money is not just about the present. It's about preparing for the future and creating a life of financial freedom. Now let's get to the fun part. Here are 10 simple ways to save money each month. Our first tip is all about budgeting. For those who might not be familiar, budgeting is a financial plan that outlines your income and expenses over a set period of time. It's like a roadmap for your money, helping you navigate the spending and saving landscape. Why is budgeting so important? Well, imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. It would be chaotic and inefficient, right? The same goes for managing money. Without a budget, you're essentially flying blind, which makes it hard to save effectively. A well-planned budget helps you track where your money is going, making it easier to spot areas where you can save. Maybe you're spending more than you thought on lunches out, or those monthly subscriptions are adding up. Once you identify these areas, you can adjust your spending and funnel that money into savings instead. Remember, a budget isn't about restriction, but about control. So start budgeting and you'll be amazed at how much you can save. Our second tip involves reducing your utility bills. Now, this might seem daunting, but it's actually quite simple when you break it down. Let's start with water. Small changes can make a big difference. Fixing leaky faucets, taking shorter showers, and using a dishwasher instead of hand-washing dishes can all help conserve water. Then there's energy. Swap out your old incandescent light bulbs for energy-efficient LED ones. They last longer and use less energy. And don't forget to unplug your devices when they're not in use. Even in standby mode, they can still consume electricity. Next, consider your heating and cooling. Dressing appropriately for the season and using fans or blankets, instead of constantly adjusting the thermostat, can lead to substantial savings. And finally, be mindful of your waste. Recycle and compost whenever possible to reduce your garbage bill. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to saving on utilities. Our third tip is all about meal planning. Now, this might seem like a chore, but it can actually be a fun and creative process. Plus, it can save you a surprising amount of money. How? Well, let's break it down. Firstly, meal planning helps reduce food wastage. You know that sinking feeling when you're throwing away spoiled vegetables or expired dairy products? That's your money going straight into the trash. By planning your meals, you only buy what you need and use it before it goes bad. Secondly, it cuts down on dining out expenses. We all know how easy it is to grab takeout when we're too tired to cook, but those costs add up. With a meal plan, you've got a roadmap for the week, so you're less likely to resort to expensive, unhealthy options. So you see, the benefits of meal planning are twofold. With meal planning, you can save money and eat healthier too. Our fourth tip is to shop smart. Now, what does that mean exactly? Well, it's all about strategic spending. One excellent method is to use coupons. It might seem old-fashioned, but trust me, it's a goldmine of savings. Also, keeping an eye out for sales and discounts, especially on items you frequently purchase, can cut down costs significantly. Now let's talk about buying in bulk. This strategy works best for non-perishable items that you use regularly, like toiletries or canned goods. By purchasing larger quantities at once, you often get a better deal per unit. However, avoid the trap of buying more than you need just because it's cheaper. That's not saving. That's overspending. Remember, the goal is to make your money work harder for you, so don't hesitate to compare prices, shop at different stores, or even negotiate prices where possible. By shopping smart, you can save a lot without compromising on your needs. Our fifth tip is to embrace DIY projects. It's a fantastic way to cut down on costs while adding a personal touch to your surroundings. You'd be amazed at how much you can save by taking on some tasks yourself instead of outsourcing them. For example, home repairs can be costly, but with a little bit of time and effort, you can learn to fix minor issues on your own. Think about the last time you called a professional to fix a leaky faucet or assemble a piece of furniture. With a quick online tutorial, you could have done it yourself and saved a pretty penny. The same goes for home decorations. Instead of buying expensive artwork or decor, why not create your own? You can customize it to your taste, and it's a great way to express your creativity. Not only can DIY projects save you money, they can also be a fun and rewarding hobby. Our sixth tip is to reduce entertainment expenses. Entertainment is a crucial part of life, but it doesn't need to drain your wallet. Let's explore some cost-saving alternatives. Firstly, consider hosting game nights at home. Board games, video games, even a fun-filled night of charades can provide hours of entertainment at a minimal cost. Secondly, evaluate your TV subscriptions. With a plethora of streaming services available today, you may find that you can save a substantial amount by ditching cable and choosing a couple of your favorite streaming platforms instead. Finally, take advantage of free local events. From art exhibitions to community theater, local concerts to public lectures, there's a world of entertainment out there that won't cost you a dime. Remember, reducing your entertainment expenses doesn't mean sacrificing fun. It's about making smart choices that align with your financial goals. Entertainment doesn't have to be expensive. There are plenty of affordable ways to have fun. Our seventh tip is to limit impulse buying. Now, we've all been there. You walk into a store for one thing and walk out with a cart full of items you never planned on buying. Impulse buying is a huge drain on our wallets, and it's often the result of some clever marketing or a fleeting desire for instant gratification. You see, when we buy on impulse, we're not just spending money on things we don't need, we're also missing out on the opportunity to put that money to better use. This could mean saving it for a rainy day, investing it, or even using it on something we genuinely need or want. So, how can we curb this habit? One effective strategy is to create a shopping list and stick to it. This helps to keep our spending focused and prevents us from being swayed by enticing but unnecessary items. By controlling impulse buying, you can save a significant amount of money. Remember, every little bit adds up. Our eighth tip is to consider using public transportation. Now, you might be thinking, but I love my car, and that's perfectly okay. But let's look at the numbers for a moment. Owning and maintaining a car comes with a host of expenses. Fuel, insurance, maintenance, the occasional parking ticket, it all adds up. Now imagine a different scenario. You use public transportation for your daily commute. The bus or train ticket certainly costs less than what you might spend on gas alone. Plus, you won't have to worry about parking, oil changes, or that dreaded check engine light. Of course, this isn't feasible for everyone, especially if you live in an area where public transport isn't readily available. But if you do have the option, it's worth a try. You might find it's not only lighter on your wallet, but also a chance to catch up on your favorite podcast or book. By using public transportation, you can save a lot on fuel and maintenance costs. Our ninth tip is to invest wisely. Now, investing isn't just about stashing away cash. It's about making your money work for you. It's a way to grow your wealth over time, but it's not without risks. That's why it's crucial to do your homework before jumping in. Think of investing as growing a tree. You plant the seed, which is your initial investment, and over time, with the right care and conditions, it grows into a sturdy tree, your wealth. But if you plant the wrong seed in the wrong spot, it could wither and die. That's why it's important to research before investing. Look into different investment options, like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. Each has its own set of risks and rewards. Understand what you're getting into. Seek advice from financial advisors if needed. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about steady growth over time. Investing wisely can help you build a secure financial future. Our final tip is to conduct regular financial checkups. Just like you'd schedule a doctor's appointment to ensure your physical health, it's equally important to monitor your financial health. Keeping track of your savings, spending, and investments allows you to adjust your financial plans when necessary. Maybe you'll spot a pattern of overspending in a certain area or discover an investment that's not performing as expected. Uncovering these insights can help you make smarter financial decisions. Remember, regular financial checkups are key to maintaining a healthy financial lifestyle. So there you have it, 10 simple ways to save money each month without sacrificing lifestyle. From budgeting and reducing utility bills to meal planning and shopping smart. Not forgetting DIY projects, cutting entertainment expenses, limiting impulse buying, using public transportation, wise investment, and regular financial checkups. Start implementing these tips to see the benefits. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more lifestyle and financial tips. Stay savvy and see you in our next video.